Hi everyone, this is Carlo and welcome back to my channel. Do you happen to have leftover wrapping paper from last Christmas that is maybe too small or too narrow to wrap anything and you're looking for a creative idea to repurpose it? In this video we're gonna create a very cute Christmas pet tape to personalize your gifts, to use in your Christmas journaling and in many other projects. What we need is a transparent packing tape, like this one. And my starting point will be this piece of wrapping paper from last year's festive season. Really lovely design. I'm gonna start cutting with scissors, but also with the help of a precision cutter, all the little elements of this paper. The leaves, the holly berries, including this Merry Christmas lettering. You don't have to be necessarily super precise. And if you don't have leftover wrapping paper, you can cut images from Christmas-themed magazines, like the ones that you get for free at the supermarket. Once I cut all my elements, I put them aside, and I'm gonna create my pet tape with the upside down technique. I'm cutting a piece of packing tape, and I'm turning it around, so that the sticky side is facing upside. And I'm gonna position it on my cutting mat, folding the two ends like this, so that they stick down. It's very important that you don't touch with your fingers the length of the tape, unless you want your fingerprints to feature as part of the final design. In this upside down technique, I'm gonna layer the elements, starting with what I want to be seen on the foreground, and going progressively back. I want this tape to have a lovely snow effect on the front. So I will use a white Posca marker and also a Uniball Signal gel pen to create dots of different size all over the length of my tape. Let this layer dry, it will take just a couple of minutes. And then it's time to add more elements. I want the Merry Christmas message to be just behind the snow, in front of all the other elements. So I will turn it around and I will position it on my tape, followed by the other bits. Using a pair of tweezers is a great trick to avoid touching the tape with your fingers and leaving marks. Of course, every element that I add will have to be turned upside down, so it's a bit of a surprise creation, because we will only really know what we are making when we turn the tape around at the end. But you know, Christmas is a magical time of the year, and just like magic, your simple packing tape will become a beautiful creation when you turn it around. We just have to cut the excess tape at the ends and store it, ready to be used. The Travelers Company Japan sells this lovely notebook refill made of a very glossy paper, where you can store all your stickers and tape portions, making them easy to peel off and back on again. Or as a cheaper alternative, you can stick your tape on a piece of grease-proof baking paper. It will do exactly the same job. You can create so many different Christmas tapes using more than one design of wrapping paper, and use them to add your personal touch to this year's gifts. This video was just a taste, a little preview of a much longer video completely dedicated to the creation of pet tapes that will be on my channel in the next weeks, with so many ideas and techniques to master the art of pet tapes and make your junk journaling and scrapbooking even more incredible. So stay tuned, and in the meantime, if you like this video, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe and hype the video so that it can reach a bigger audience. This was me, Carlo, and until next video, take care, be kind, and I'll see you soon.